Hello friends, thank you for clicking this video. Welcome back in my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a pinwheel flower crochet. Let's begin. I will use hook number 5 here. First, make a magic ring. And then one chain and make 12 single crochet in the magic ring. And already 12. Pull the yarn and slip stitch into the first chain. And next is 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then slip stitch to the next loop or next chain, and then 3 chain, slip stitch again the next chain below. Do it around the first row. So there will be 12 loop at the end. So this is the last loop. Pull the yarn. Oh, I think I do something wrong. I use the magic ring yarn to crochet. So 3 chain and single crochet, and then cut the yarn. We will change the yarn color. Pull the yarn to the back of the project. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 12 loop. Start from the middle between 2 loop. Over there the slip stitch. Yeah, over there. Make 6 chain. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then go into the stitch between loop. Make a DC, and then 3 chain, DC in the slip stitch, 3 chain and DC. Do it until the end of the row, so there will be 12 loop. Here already at the last loop. 3 chain, and slip stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 loop. And now we make 3 chain, 3, and then DC to the next DC, and then 3 chain, 1 2 3, and then the DC at the standing chain, 1 2 3 4, and then DC to the next DC below, and then 3 chain, 1 2 3 4 DC at the standing DC, 2 3 4, and DC to the next. Do the same pattern in this row. 3 chain, 4 DC, and then 1 DC to the next DC. There will be 12 pinwheel. So this is the last. 1 DC, 3 chain, 4 DC at the standing DC. A little bit confusing, but I think this is beginner friendly also. Slip stitch to the first pinwheel, the first chain, cut the yarn and slip the extra yarn into the project. Slip using needle, slip the yarn, okay. I think that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.